guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to regrow my ginger. So the last time we went to the grocery store, I bought some ginger for my kimchi. So I still have something left here, and I just left it here in the plastic bag and just let it sit here. And then yesterday when I checked it, I saw like some sprouts. I researched how to grow ginger from the ginger that you actually bought from the grocery store, and it is quite easy. So today, that's what we are going to do. Earlier, I already prepared the pot that I'm gonna use to plant this ginger, and it's already waiting outside. Fill up natin tong ating lalagyan. Probably half na to yung ilalagay natin, and then saka natin i-lay down yung ating mga kinat na ginger. Sabi ng mga napanood ko ng mga videos regarding how to grow ginger, kailangan daw na medyo ipa-warm yung ating soil bago natin itanim yung ating ginger. So that's what we're going to do. Hayaan lang natin siyang mag-sit dyan for a little bit, and then later on we are going to plant our ginger. So now let's cut the ginger. Basically, ito siya. This is the sprout, or yung tinatawag nilang eye. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm thinking that this one will grow as well. While pinapainit natin ng konti yung ating soil, I am going to soak this ginger in water. You probably noticed na it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video, and it's because I've been busy trying to plan for our garden. We are actually wanting to build some plant boxes. Tataniman natin ng vegetables. This red onion, yun yung dating nakalagay dun sa isang big pot, kaso para kasi siyang nag-rot. Ito naman yung white na onion, ginger, and I have my apple here, and then lemons, and ito yung aking indoor plant, nilabas ko lang muna. So I have here my green onions, and then yun yung mga seedling ko na tomato, and then these are tomatoes as well. yung aking spring onion, string beans, tomato has wow here. Meron ako nito. And then, ito bagong bili ko lang. Photos. Bago pa lang siya. Bagong recruit. And then, that's the other one. I tried to put it on top of the shelf na hindi makakapunta si Sora para hindi niya makain yung dahon because it's not good for them. Hi guys! Katapos ko ng maligo. Naligo ko after mag-gardening. We are about to prepare dinner. So, for today's dinner, Kenny's gonna make steak. So, I will let him do his thing. Kasi pag steak, siya talaga yung pinagkakatiwalaan ko. What? That's medium. Perfect. Oh, very good. Mine, I haven't cut it yet. Let's see how mine looks like. Oh, yep. Very good. Good job.
New York, America's favorite cut of meat.
Is this? I think ribeye is more. I like ribeye. When you were in the Philippines and you bought ribeye, did they actually give you ribeye or you're like this?
I don't know. It depends on how starving that cow was. And it tasted more like this too.
I enjoyed it either way. First time to see that like hunk of meat in front of me. And my sister and I shared.